ride the Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
All right, let's go give it a shot. This looks great. You're scared of heights. That should be fun. All right, we're full. We were the last one. So we get to go round and round. You ready?
Come on,
put 1, 2 for the show.
Here we go.
Here we go.
There'll be stuff on top.
We will eventually when they unload people. Oh, it does go fast. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't like this. Okay. This might be terrible. Oh, eventually we will stop on top when they go to take us off. Yeah, there is a graveyard over there. A real one. Yeah. They won't be out during the day anyway. Oh, this thing goes so fast. This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
You see the graveyard, that's cool.
I wonder how many times we go around. Oh, what's it doing? Oh, he's stopping it. Oh, this is great. We're going to stop right up top. Oh, I love this. So what are you thinking?
It's awesome.
You good?
Dad!
Don't lean and look for him. You make it rock and you scare Mom. Well, we got a nice little view right at the top. Yay. No, it is pretty. It's a good ride. It's a fast ride.
It's fun.
Yeah.
We stuck up here forever.
Well, we were the last ones to get on, so guess what? When you're the last one to get on, you're the last one to get off, I bet. I don't know when he'll get to us. Okay, they're getting off. They have a pattern they do. Apparently it has to do with the colors on the bottoms of the seats. See those dots up there? Right there? Yeah. That's how they know who to get on and off. I don't quite understand it. Yeah, on the bottoms of the seats. See that yellow dot like on the bottom of that one up there? Yeah. Right. There, if you can see it. So now we're stopped here. Oh, that's great. Love that.
Crap.
I'd like to get our picture, Drake, but right now, I'm rather terrified. It is pretty high up. Think I'm gonna drop the camera? I don't think I'm gonna drop the camera.
Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.